All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So, investigate. Investigate. Like search. Here we are. Search. Yeah, to search something. Investigate and learn more. Okay. To study and learn more about something. I still need to investigate. I need to investigate more about my plans before I take action. Yeah. You should investigate before you decide what to do. They are always investigating new events and documents. Yeah, new things, learning more, studying more about this, studying more about that, reading more books, and investigating more about economics, finance, history, humanity, and beyond. We will start an investigation soon. We will start to investigate what happened. But interrogate is to ask question. Ask questions. Yeah. So as to learn more, interrogate someone. When you want to learn more about something, ask someone questions and talk to them. They interrogate prisoners. He, in the picture, is being interrogated. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. I will have to interrogate them. I need to ask them questions. Yeah, interrogate. You will need to interrogate them to get more answers. This interrogation will last a while. It will last a while. Or will last a while. We have a lot of questions. We have a lot of questions for you. A lot of questions for you. So, investigate to learn more about something. And interrogate. Ask questions. So, can you use investigate and interrogate in a sentence? Can you write them in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.